I'm so excited today. I'm getting my new windshield, my cracked windshield replaced. And Chris is here and they have already started working. I couldn't believe how much money he saved me. My friends at Collision gave me his card and he basically saved me probably $300 compared to doing it at Safe Light with Progressive. Y'all are fast. They've literally come here first thing in the morning and they were very much on time, called me ahead of time, let me know when they were here. And I just wanted to share the good news at how much cheaper he was and even does door-to-door service.